Assalamualaikum students. I hope you are doing well. Well, today we are going to do the paragraph writing in class 6 and class 7. You have been doing it many times and you must be familiar with the steps. So, today the paragraph writing is on a topic that is journey by bus. Now, the objectives are identify the different steps and important terms to remember in writing, organize the collective thought or ideas into a well written paragraph, write a well structured paragraph effectively and creatively. Now, the resources there is an online video for you all. So, when you are done with your lesson, I want you to check it. It's very useful. Then, this paragraph is actually taken from your textbook, page number 18 and it is along with the vocabulary bank. Now, why to learn steps? Like in a paragraph writing, why it's important that we write a paragraph writing according to the steps? Well, it is important for us to learn the steps in writing a paragraph. Just like your own life story, every detailed thing should start with a good paragraph. And everything on it should be composed of a well written paragraph. Just like our own life or story, thoughts or ideas should be written properly. Anything that is scrambled and cannot be understood will forever remain misunderstood. So that's why we always has to write the paragraph into steps. Now, why do we write paragraph? What is the reason behind writing any kind of paragraph? Well, those reasons were all parts of all the events and possible events of our life. There should be no reason for us to run out of thoughts or ideas, and no reason at all to stop anybody from expressing himself and herself. All we need to do is write now and let the world hear our voice through writing. Now, here are some steps that would be very effective. And with learning to write the super effective and creative paragraph, and all the rest will follow. Now, writing a paragraph is similarly like making your own sandwich. The bread, the filling, the veggies, and everything in it. It starts with the topic sentence, the detail composed of 3 to 5 sentences, and then the closing sentence. And never forget that the first sentence of every paragraph should always be indented. Now, if you look over here, it's a structure of essay writing, but in an essay writing, if we looked particularly at the paragraph structure, you come to know that in the paragraph, it starts with an introduction, that is a topic sentence. Then it is supported by the body that consists of the supporting sentences, and the last one is the conclusion. So, this is a perfect way, perfect steps for writing a paragraph. Now, a paragraph consists of these steps. First comes the topic sentence, then comes the supporting ideas. Then, to support the ideas, we need to add the details. And then at last comes the concluding details, sentences. Now, the topic sentence, it is followed by the explanation and definitions. It clarifies and clear terms in the topic sentence. And then the evidence of the supporting statements and the comments and then the concluding sentences. So explanation, evidence, and the comments, they all considered as the supporting statements. Now, your topic for writing a paragraph is the journey by the bus. Uh, Here are some examples of the topic sentences. And through these examples, I want you to brainstorm the supporting ideas. I want you to add the details. Well, uh, here are the few examples. You can write your own topic sentence and you can continue it with the supporting details. But here I want to give you a little bit of the idea. Well, A Journey by Bus is an interesting study of men and manners. Now, this is a topic sentence. The rest of the paragraph should be consist of the manners about men, the study, how they used to act during a bus journey. It was summer season, and I was traveling to my village. A bus journey which I cannot easily forget. Some bus journey sticks to our mind forever. Last summer holidays, I went to Lahore from Islamabad in a bus. The bus journey is not so comfortable as a journey by the train is. So here is a kind of a comparison, and that comparison will comes in your supporting sentences, followed by details and the concluding sentence. Now, if we go through the recap, you'll come to know that um, the main thing is that why we learn the steps. Second, we have uh, discussed about the reasons for writing a paragraph, then about the structure. It consists of a topic sentence followed by the supporting details for adding details, supporting sentence for adding details, and then comes a conclusion sentence. And then I have discussed a few examples with you. Now your written task is it's mentioned on your book. It's part G in your textbook class 8. Write a paragraph of about 50 to 60 words on journey by bus. Keep in mind the topic sentence and supporting details in a paragraph. You may take help from the given vocabulary. Now there is a vocabulary bank for you. You can take the words from there and you can make your paragraph, or uh, it's open ended. You can use your own vocabulary, but it should be related to the paragraph. And remember, your paragraph should be of 50 to 60 words. Now, the words are bus stand, travelers, drivers, conductor, tickets, focus, hot, rainy, stormy, windy day, pleasant, horrible feelings, etc. Thank you so much, class.